first 10 questions from exercise 2.2. Today we will start with question number 11. The question is, Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather and 29 years older than Bharat. Sum of the ages of all three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? You see here, Bharat's father and Bharat's grandfather. Here the link is Bharat's father. Bharat's father is how many years elder to Bharat? 29 years older than Bharat and 26 years younger than his grandfather. So we will take Bharat's father's age as X. Okay. So let the age of Bharat's father is equal to X. Now let us relate the other two's age. So what will be the age of Bharat's grandfather? Grandfather's age. Father is 26 years younger than grandfather. So who is elder? Grandfather. How many years elder? 26 years elder. So grandfather's age will be equal to X plus 26. And Bharat is 29 years younger, or the father is 29 years elder. So what will be the age of Bharat? Bharat's age is equal to how many years younger? X minus 29. Now, what is given in the question? The sum of the ages of all three is 135. Means if you add all these things, you will get 135. So, given X plus 26 plus X minus 29 is equal to 135. Here 1x, 2x, 3x. 3x plus 26 minus 29. Integers addition. 26 minus 29. 29 is bigger. The sign is negative here and here it is positive. So find the difference. It is 3 and the sign of greater number. So 3x minus 3 is equal to 135. So 3x is equal to 135 plus 3. That is 138. Now x is equal to 138 upon 3, which is equal to 4 3s are 12 and then 18. 6 3s are 18. So the father's age, Bharat's father is 46 years old. So age of Bharat's father is equal to X, that is equal to 46 years. Now grandfather's age is equal to 46. X plus 26. 46 plus 26. How much? 6 plus 6? 12. 5 plus 2? 7. 72 years. And Bharat's age? (46 minus 29). Okay. you want to check whether your answer is correct or not, what we have to do? Add all these numbers. Which are the numbers? 46, 72 and 17. Add it and check whether you are getting 135 or not. See, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 1 left, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So, you get 135. The next question is question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Okay. So, what we will do? Let Ravi's present age is equal to A. If the present age is A, 15 years from now, that means after 15 years, what will be his age? Ravi's age after 15 years. What will be his age after 15 years? After 15 years means plus 15 will be A plus 15. Now, what is the relation given? 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be how many times his present age? 4 times his present age. So, what is given in the question? Given 4 times his present age is equal to A plus 15. What is A? Sorry, 4A. 4 times his present age is equal to A plus 15. So, 4A minus A is equal to 15. So, what is 4A minus A? A means 1A. So, 4A minus 1A, 3A is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 upon 3, which is equal to 5. So, what is A? The present age of Ravi. Therefore, present age of Ravi is equal to 5 years. What will be his age after 15 years? 15 plus 5, 20. So, 20 is 4 times A. 4 times 5s are 20. The next question is question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 upon 3 to the product, you get minus 7 upon 12. What is the number? So, we know whenever we don't know something, we take it as a variable. So, let the number be any variable. So, let the number equal to any variable you give A. Now, what is given? When you multiply it by 5 by 2. So, multiply it by 5 by 2. What do you get? A multiplied by 5 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2 A. When that is added to 2 upon 3. So, add 2 upon 3. We get 5 by 2A plus 2 upon 3. What is it equal to? We get minus 7 upon 12. Now, what do we have to do? Keep 5 upon 2A here and take 2 upon 3 to the other side. So, 5 upon 2A is equal to minus 7 upon 12 minus 2 upon 3. Here we have rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers with different denominator. What do we have to do? We have to find the LCM of 3 and 12. 3 4s are 12. So here also multiplied by 4. So what will you get? 5 upon 2a is equal to minus 7 upon 12 minus 2 4s are 8. 8 upon 12. Both are negative. So add and give negative sign. That is minus 15 upon 12. Now a is equal to minus 15 upon 12. Take this 5 by 2 to the other side. So what it will become? Reciprocal. Multiply by the reciprocal. It will become 2 upon 5. Now you know 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. Similarly 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. So we get a is equal to minus 3 upon 6, which is again reduced. So you get minus 1 upon 2. What was the number that you thought of? The number we thought of. Therefore, the number is 1 minus 1 upon 2. What was the number? Minus 1 upon 2. That's all for today. The remaining questions we will do in the next class. Thank you.